So imagine you're scrolling through a website and you notice users who are making money just by posting. Here's the deal. One user earns $15 per post, another rakes in $50, and the last one pulls in a cool $100 for each post. That's not chump change, right? It means you could potentially make over $3,000 a month just by sharing content. Now, in the midst of all this, I'll share with you another website where you could pocket over $300 for a single post. And here's the kicker. You can do all of this from the comfort of your home, and these opportunities are available worldwide. Let's delve into how these websites operate and how you can start cashing in. First up, we have Greatest. On this platform, you can earn up to $125 per post, particularly if it's about health, relationships, or fitness. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can churn out quality articles in no time. Just ensure your submissions are top-notch, and you're on your way to earning some serious cash. Next on the list is Fiverr. Here, you can earn up to $100 by writing articles for clients. It's a straightforward gig. People are looking for writers, and they're willing to pay decently for quality content. Simply sign up, set your rates, and start receiving requests. Then there's Copy Hackers. They're willing to shell out up to $5,000 a month for articles on topics like launching new businesses. If you're into that scene, search for Copy Hackers jobs and start exploring the opportunities. Moving on to Cracked, where your first 4 posts can fetch you $150 each, and after that you could earn up to $250 per post. It's all about creating engaging, fun content that brightens someone's day. If you've got a knack for humor, this could be your golden ticket. Now, let's talk about making money through social media. Ever considered Impact? This platform connects you with companies willing to pay for your influence. Just share their links on your socials, and for every purchase made through your link, you earn a commission, sometimes up to $300 per sale. Last but not least, there's International Living. Here, you can earn up to $100 per article by providing insights into retirement destinations. Collect data, recommend ideal spots, and get paid for helping retirees find their dream locations. In summary, these websites offer lucrative opportunities for earning money online, whether through writing articles or leveraging your social media presence. So why wait? Dive in, explore, and see how much you can earn. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more tips and insights. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.